Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the past 3 years, mobile phones have held more than 60% of global browser traffic. And that, I think, is because of faster networks and the way people now are using their phones for shopping, news, search, and entertainment. Now, just to let you know that although this has been the case, according to a post by Gemlit, desktop devices now are overtaking smartphones for the first time in 5 years, where the data is showing that desktops have now claimed 49.7% of the worldwide browsing in October of this year, placing desktop devices just ahead of smartphones, which is on 48.98%. So in the green, you've got mobile. In the purple at the bottom, you've got desktop. So I thought this was interesting and just wanted to put it out there in case you would be interested. Now, according to Gemlit, there are a couple of reasons behind the so-called trend, because more online activity now, it says, happens during work, where users now rely on desktops for larger screens, multiple tabs, and more complex content. And another reason is a significant portion of mobile activity now also takes place inside of apps rather than web browsers, which means it isn't counted in web traffic measurements, according to the post. And then another possible reason is that there is an increased interest in AI-powered productivity tools, which has also potentially pushed desktop usage higher. And I think I actually kind of agree with that. Now, according to StatCounter, which is the source of these results, StatCounter says that desktop devices held 35.2% of global traffic in June of this year. And by October, desktop devices had reached 49.7%, overtaking mobile devices. And the last time desktops overtook smartphones was in October 2020, 5 years ago, as mentioned. And over and above that, there are also regional differences, with StatCounter saying the data is also showing significant regional differences in desktop web browsing, with Americans by far leading the way. And the European market witnessed a similar trend, but with slightly lower figures. So basically, the US and the European market are pushing these figures up, according to the post. So as mentioned, was quite surprised to see this, where desktop now overtakes mobile with a 49.7% share of global web traffic. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.